Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel X Gene and Protein X. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about Gepia database. So this is very powerful online tool to analyze the different kind of the protein expression in the cancer and normal tissues. So for that, you need to go to this link and you just open this link, and this is very user friendly. And after getting this link, you can redirect to this interface. So here you can see the interface. So first I want to show one by one that what kind of data you can get from here. So for example, I want to get the expression of the EGFR in different cancer. So here you need to type here and then search. So here you get some kind of data, but I need some selective data in the box plot. So for that, you can see here expression, and here is the box plot. So for here, different cancers names are indicating if you scroll down here. So you need to know that what kind of cancer you're looking for. So for example, but if you don't know that this kind of abbreviation, what is the full form, then you can search online that what is this full form. All right, so here I want to know in the kidney cancer. So kidney cancer, I know well, that is the KIRC, that is a kidney renal carcinoma. So just click and then add. So here you can see, after that you need to plot. So when you plot, then you will get wait for a while. Yes, so this is the box plot that what I am looking for. So here if you scroll down, you can see here there is a KIHC, that is the kidney cancer, and EGFR expression, that T that indicating the tumor, and N that indicating the normal tissues. So T, that is so this is the normal tissues and this is the tumor tissues. So in the tumor tissues, this EGFR expression is higher, we know that. So after that, if you want to if you want to use this data for the publication, just download from here and you will get the PDF. So you can use that PDF directly, or if you want to screenshot and if you want to publish with that image, you can use that. Just you need to mention in your publication that you got this analysis from the Gepia. That's all. Okay, so now I want to see the survival data. Okay, so from here you just click here and the survival plots. So here there are some different options you need to select. Also I want to select here KIHC. So that is the kidney cancer. I want to see that what is the survival rate here. Okay, so here already KIHC is selected, then plot, then you will get this kind of survival data. So as you see here, that low EGFR, so that is the blue color, that is indicating that low EGFR. So low EGFR, that representing the higher survival rate, you see, and the higher EGFR, that mostly it overexpressed in the cancer. So higher EGFR, it representing the lower survival, overall survival. All right, so next I want to see the two different protein expression and their correlation. Okay, so for that you need to select something here. You can in general, or you need to search for it, similar genes. Sorry, not this one, correlation. First you can go to the correlation. So here you can see the gene A and gene B. So I want to when you select the correlation, so you need to select two different protein, right? So EGFR, I want to see the EGFR and the VHL. So these two gene correlation I want to see in the kidney cancer. So for that you can select also here, scroll down, and here is KRC tumor, and at the same time you can also select the normal tissues. So the KIRC tumor and add it and then plot. So when you plot, then also you can see this is a correlation graph. So this graph also, this is the correlation plot. You can also, so this is the VHL and this is the EGFR. So the correlation in the cancer, kidney cancer. So here also you can see, you can download from here and then you can use it for in the publication if you want. So there are different kind of option if you want. For example, also so survival, I already showed that survival. Similar genes also you can see. So here you can see that if you select the similar genes, so here the EGFR related 20 similar genes, you can see their expression level. So here also I can see the same cancer, add it and then list. So when you hit the list, then you will get the 20 different EGFR like genes, their expression in this specific cancer. So here you can see this is the number 1 and number 2. Okay, so these all are EGFR like genes and their expression. So if you click here, then you can see their expression and transcription level. Okay, so also I want to show something that in this so when, for example, I want to go to the Gepia and then I can see from here EGFR expression. So I can go back. Sorry, here. Sorry, I can select from here correlation. Okay, I can go to the directly from here general. Okay, so here I can also I can show you something that if you select EGFR and then you can go, and then also you can see this kind of expression. So you can see this is the log off and on. You can turn it on or off. But when I select the EGFR, then you can see the different expression in the tumor and normal tissue. So as you see here, the EGFR expression level is higher in the brain and also other organ compared to the normal tissues. So if you select if you take your cursor here, you can see that in the brain the EGFR expression level is showing that 82.35, whereas if you take it here, you can see that in the brain, in the normal and brain tissues, its expression is 3.99. And also some other organ, if you compare, such as the lung, so lung, that is 29.03 and here is the 15.64. So this is how also you can use this. You can see the expression level of this different kind of the target proteins in different organs. So this is how you can use this Gepia. This is very comprehensive and very powerful tool, and you can find something more for your publication. I hope it will be very useful, this database. So that's all about today's video. I hope this video will be helpful. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please share on my channel. And if you have any queries, kindly write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.